Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna give you a thorough review of the Power Force Compact BISSELL Bagless Vacuum. So that's how the box will come once you order that. And I'm gonna tell you more about the features and characteristics a little bit later in the video. But before, we actually need to assemble the parts that we are getting inside the box, so which is really important. So stay with me. As you're gonna open the box, you will see something known as the crevice tool, and this is the dusting brush that we're gonna actually attach to the extension wand that I'm gonna show you a little bit later. And then you can actually clean on top of the shelves or like anything in the kitchen which is not really near you, so it's easier, like higher than you. So that's the wand I was talking about. And that's the rest of the part, but you don't really need to do anything with that particular part. We're gonna attach all the other parts to that. So we will take out the bottom portion out of the packet, and then we will start attaching the tools. So the first thing we will be attaching is the high range extension wand. So for the wand, the handle with the blue portion will be facing you, and then we will attach the crevice with the stretch hose when you're cleaning. But if you are not, then you can actually attach the hose to that bottom part of the vacuum so it doesn't come in your way. And that's how we actually open the dart container. So you just have to press the blue button and you can open that easily. And inside this dust container, you have the multi-layer filtration. And I think it is washable, so you don't have to keep on buying the filter again and again. So that's a good news. Now this part is a little bit tricky, but it's not that hard. But I'm gonna show you how to do that easily. So as you can see, the pointed part of the blue portion will actually face the front part. So that's the power cord. So we were actually wondering where to put the dust brush. So that's where we're gonna attach the dust brush when we are not using it. And the crevice tool will go the other side, as you can see in the video. So that's it. It's ready. We press on the red button and it starts, and you press on the blue button, then it can lean at the back a little bit and vacuum. As you can see, the vacuum works really well, and our apartment is really dirty because we were not able to buy a vacuum which falls under the budget. But this particular guy is very good and not very expensive. So let me tell you a little bit more about the features. So it's a powerful cleaning tool because it has that rotating brush, and it's combined with a powerful suction for a thorough clean. And also, this whole vacuum weighs less than 8 pounds, so it's not too heavy. And like I was mentioning, you can clean on top of the shelves really easily with the wand, and you just need to attach the dusting brush at the tip of that wand. So when I was actually looking for vacuum online, most of the vacuums were for wood, but I was looking for something that I can actually use on the carpet. This particular vacuum can be used on multiple surfaces, so that's really good for me because I have wood in the kitchen and then I have carpet all over the apartment. And in this particular section of the video, you can see you can contact them directly and not just go to Walmart and return it, but whichever is easier for you. Hopefully there won't be a problem for you guys. Now for the stretch hose, you will be attaching the crevice tool, so you can actually clean the, I would say, the narrow or the side sections of the room that the actual vacuum cleaner cannot go to. So as you can see, the suction is really good and it works really nice. Now I'm gonna actually show you how to clean the dart container. It's really easy. I showed you before, but just for cleaning purpose, you will press on the blue button on the bottom. You do not have to touch anything on top of this container. That's, I think, only for changing the filter or for washing it. And like I mentioned, this vacuum can also be used on wood, so it works great in different surfaces, as you can see. So this video is actually not a part of any promotion, but we just thought sharing with you guys will be really helpful because some of you might be looking for a cheap and useful vacuum. Thank you. Have a nice day.